Ireland's Daniel McKenna shows his frustration as Ireland failed to break the deadlock in the U19's clash against Azerbaijan in Waterford. Photo Sportsfile. Ireland finished with 10 men and a task on their hands to reach the elite phase of the UEFA qualifiers after drawing a blank against Azerbaijan. Tom Mohan's team controlled yesterday's group opener at the Waterford RSC for the vast majority and carved out several openings, but sloppy finishing and an inspired goalkeeping performance from Murad Popov puts them in a spot of bother. Lee O'Connor of Ireland in action against Murad Ghayali of Azerbaijan. Photo Sportsfile. Anthony Scully and Thomas Byrne both miss glaring chances to nick the victory for the boys in green. To regain their prospects of securing one of the two berths from the pool into the next stage, Ireland will hope to beat a Cyprus side who suffered a 10 defeat to Serbia in last night's other group match. Ireland head into the next fixture on Saturday without the influential defender Canis Carroll after the Oxford United first teamer collected 2 bookings in the final 15 minutes of a frustrating day for the Irish. Irrespective of the outcome against the Cypriots, Ireland may need something from their final outing with the classy Serbs to ensure the passage. Murad Popov of Azerbaijan watches as a shot from Jason Molumby of Republic of Ireland hits the crossbar. Photo Sportsfile. Ireland M. Travers Weymouth, T. Wilson Manchester City, D. O'Shea Hereford, C. Carroll Oxford, L. O'Connor Manchester United, J. Doherty Sheffield United, D. McKenna Wolves, R. O'Sullivan Worthing, J. Molumby Brighton, A. Scully West Ham, T. Byrne Drogheda United. Subs. K. Flanagan Crystal Palace for O'Sullivan 42, M. Obafemi Southampton for Scully 71, J. Afolabi Southampton for Byrne 89 Irish Independent.